Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to install iOS 26 Liquid Glass Control Center on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app. Then tap on Open. From here, just tap on Start. From here, just give this app these permissions. First of all, just enable the toggle for accessibility and tap on OK. From here, just select Accept the Terms of Service and tap on Accept. From here, just tap on Installed Apps and select iPanel. From here, just enable the toggle for iPanel and select Allow. After that, just enable Notification Access and enable the toggle for iPanel. Now just do the same with all the other permissions. Now after you do that, then tap on Position, and from here just select the position from which you want to enable your control panel. For now I will select top, and once you do that you will be enabled to access your control panel from the top of the screen, just like that. Now if you tap on Style, you can change the style of the handle over here. If you tap on Color, you can change the color of the handle. For an example, I will select black. If you increase the width, you can increase the width of the handle, just like that. And if you increase or decrease the height, you can increase or decrease the height of the handle at the top of the screen, just like that. And this is how you can install iOS 26 Control Center on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.